Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video we are going to learn how to merge two dictionaries. So here is my first dictionary called A, and as you know, in dictionaries in Python we are having the key value pairs. So here keys are X and Y, the values are 1 and 2. Okay, and for the second dictionary we are having the keys Y and Z, and then the values that are assigned are 3 and 4 respectively. So 3 is the value for the key Y and 4 is the value for the key Z. Now I want to merge them. In order to merge them, on the left hand side I choose a name, it can be whatever we want, and on the right hand side we are having star A and star B. They are being separated by a comma. And finally I print the merge. So when I run the code, we see that the merged dictionary is X, Y and Z, so containing all the elements. However, the Y element that is shared between both of them are taking the value that is having a greater unit. So Y equals 3 is being considered for the merged dictionary.